Hey lovely people, today I will be making a sugar coffee body scrub to exfoliate the skin so your skin can be nice and smooth and soft. And this is really important for me because I have what you would call chicken skin. So I have like little teeny bumps on the back of my arms and the back of my legs that I constantly have to exfoliate so that when I run my hand across my legs or my arms, I don't feel little bumps. Okay, so I'll show you how I'm going to be making this. Okay, so the ingredients I will be using are organic coconut oil, organic cane sugar, ground cinnamon, organic ground cinnamon, and some honey, and some very special oils that I have left over. This is the Art of the Root Deadly Attraction oil. I'm just gonna use this in my body scrub because I have just a little bit left and I wanna use the rest. There's a bunch of herbs and pretty things inside of this. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the mason jar. You're gonna open up your mason jar. And you can gonna start by putting your sugar in. Your coffee. Then your olive oil, your coconut oil. And your cinnamon, can't forget your cinnamon. Then you're putting some honey in mine. I feel like I'm baking a cake. But I'm actually going to be putting this on my body. Okay. And we're going to mix this together. Alright, this looks great. I'm probably gonna go wash my hands with this when I'm finished the video, and I'm gonna just put in the conjuring oil that I mentioned earlier. Get all those herbs in there. It smells wonderful. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Mind you, this does get a little messy, but it's worth it. Okay, so here's the final result in this mason jar. I'm gonna just set this in my tub, and I went to go wash my hands. My hands feel super moisturized and soft. Yeah, I'll be doing this a lot more. I spent like $10 on a sugar body scrub a week ago, but now that I can make my own, I'll definitely be opting to do this. All right, until next time, see you later.